Hello everybody, how's it going? Thor Young, Bear Bull Traders. I'm on a trade, just got into a trade right now. Thought I'd throw up my screen recording real quick because I wanted to show you guys what I'm up to because we've been talking about bullish and bearish level twos. So on to the trade real quick, we'll do all the YouTube stuff later. I want you to look here at my level two. Look at this large ask that's sitting here near 182. The way I trade, I really feel like that's going to gravitate price. So I went ahead and I went long here, and I'm just using a new 5-minute low, and I'm trying to get a break up here to 182. So I'm using this narrow range here. It's going to be right around a 2-to-1 trade if it gets all the way up to that, but you can see here how I'm holding. Now the reason I'm holding this for this break above this level, again, is this very large seller. Now, a lot of traditional methods will tell you not to trade into these large sellers. Now, I would agree with that if I was only 1 or 2 pennies away. But being far away from the price, my thought is that we're going to pop up there and go. That's on a 5-minute chart. Let me dial you down to a 1-minute and let you see it a little bit more precisely. So as you can see here, we consolidated here. I saw the ask starting to stack to the top side, so I went long with the volume. So and we popped here. We got a real big, instantly got a push up here. So now I'm holding for this push up. Now we're struggling a little bit to get the momentum that we need to run for that order, and hopefully this trade doesn't fail on me because of the lack of momentum. Also, the SPY is giving me a little bit of a hard time, which that I could not have predicted, unfortunately. Sometimes the market works against you, and what you can see here is the SPY actually just made a critical new low, and normally this is my 5-minute chart. So what you can see here is we actually just made a new 5-minute low as well. And that's not a really great sign, but we do have a value area here that's set up just below. So if we push, hopefully 475.50 holds and we make new highs, and then my Apple trade will hold on through that. So back over to Apple. So as you can see, Apple is doing its darndest to hold on here as SPY drops. The market maker really wants 182. So we're starting to see some buyers hitting the ask now on the larger side, so that's given me a little optimism. There's more hitting the ask in large quantity. So let's see if we can get this thing to break up. My partial is at 181.98. I'm 2 cents in front of 182 because when we lunge for 182, I want to get filled as we hit that. Let me adjust this a little bit so you can see it a little better. All right, there we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here comes the lunge. Look at all the orders coming through. Pow, 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 bam! And filled. Look at that. Moving to break even. Beautiful. Haha, how about that? All right, nice move right into those sellers. Look, now we're going to go through those sellers, hit the top side. Let's take a little bit more off. Partial. Nice. Nice. So when we're talking about level 2, this is what we're talking about here. So I hope really quick little show you on, look, I got more sellers coming top side. We had good buy in there. So let's see if we hold. If this breakout fails, I'm all out. Paper hands, right? So but we got that nice little pop there right off of the level 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of live trading. If you did, please throw me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell, do those kind of things. And also, just for a little side action, I also did get a really nice trade today on NIO. Look at this big breakdown that we caught on NIO today as well. So been an absolutely fun day. Level 2 working really, really good today along with the cam points. So I hope everybody has a great trading day today, and we're going to look here on getting a little bit more profit out of this trade if this break holds. Hope everyone has a great one. Talk to you later. Thanks.